I want to do like a mini vlog. Might as well, like for example with like the B-roll of like what you got here. And I'm thinking make like no pressure to do like every day, obviously.
Yeah.
It's not like a day. I'm thinking more like weekly.
Right.
But I want to call it Making the Donuts. I'm so focused on the customer, like what makes it easiest on the customer, and then everything else we work our way back from. And if something's not customer centric, we're not going to do it, you know? Perfect.
That lady, she was wondering if 500 combined single limits was too much to add with her umbrella for her auto. How do I explain that to her?
The way you explain it to her in the state of Alabama, if she hits somebody and hurts them, okay, that 100, 300, that $100,000 limit, that's the most important number on her car insurance policy. If Alexander Shannara is coming after her and suing her, that's the most the insurance company's going to pay in that instance. You know this, okay? But what a lot of people don't talk about is in the state of Alabama, the attorney that's suing you actually doesn't know how much your limit is or what your limit is. So they don't know if you have $1 million, 500,000, or 25,000. They're going to do a shot over the bow. They're going to sue you for they're going to determine their determination of your net worth, and that's what they're going to sue you for. Therefore, it pays to have either A, a little bit more liability limit than you need, or B, make sure your liability limit is equal to or greater than your net worth. In the construction space that are thought leaders or well respected and interview them, I think it would absolutely crush it. I think it would do a ton for your business. But the key, and I tell everybody this that asks me this question, when you're doing a podcast with an end goal of selling something, the longer you can go without pitching your product, the more of your product you're going to sell. Because it's value, 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 you know?
We could do a series where weekly John does another impression, like his Jerry Seinfeld. Phenomenal.
Do Jerry Seinfeld.
This insurance is ridiculous! What do you mean when in hell?
Example, recently it was $1 million in new business. Producer was like, I could never imagine writing that much, and I broke it down, it was like 5 quotes a day. Like when you break it down to just the granular level, it makes this massive elephant seem way smaller. And it shocks me at the number of people that don't do that. But moving forward, I think the people that are really going to be screwed, I think the ones that use the technology and continue to use it are going to be okay, even if they're not using it good. The ones that are really going to be screwed are when things start to get back to normal, whatever normal is, go back to the old way of doing things. Now their competitors are here. Now you had the guys that were out front, and the girls are out front, and then you had everybody else kind of around here in purgatory. Now your competitors are up here and you've gone backwards. I think those are the ones that are really going to be screwed. I would really like to get your thoughts on that.